The Aerojak is a one-piece mechanical device for lifting the landing gear of your airplane. The asymmetrical design allows for lifting one wheel at a time by placing the green stripe side under the starboard gear and the red stripe side under the port gear. Remember, safety is everything. Never move the airplane while one wheel is off the ground. Properly secure the airplane by chalking the two remaining wheels. If possible, tie the tail down in a triangle so it can't move in either direction. Place the Aerojak on the underside of the gear that you want to lift with the width adjustment knob facing the propeller. Here, we are lifting the starboard gear with the green side up. Tighten the width adjustment knob and clamp the jack head to the gear. Make sure the jack is always vertical and the jack footing is favoring the center line of the landing gear, not to exceed 1 inch off center. Make sure the heel of the head is clear of the footstep. Insert the safety rod through the two vertical ears. Drop in the safety clip through the hole on the end of the safety rod. Now you're ready to turn the lifting knob speed handle to lift the wheel off the ground. Turn the handle counterclockwise to move the shaft of the jack upward until the tire clears the ground. With the wheel secured to the airplane using proper procedure, turn the lifting knobbed speed handle clockwise to lower the gear and tire assembly safely to the ground. Remove the safety clip and rod. Due to the tapered trailing edge of the landing gear, the jack becomes self-tightening due to the wedging action. To break this friction lock, hit the stainless steel collar with the rubber mallet until the jack breaks free. Do not hammer on the aluminum head. Do not use a metal hammer. If necessary, turn the width adjustment knob to open the clamping head and safely remove it from the landing gear. Now you're ready to lift the port gear using the same procedure. Simply flip the Aerojak head over to the red side and you're ready to go. The standard Aerojak with its adjustable head is designed to fit Cessna's 150s through the 337 flat spring gear. There are 3 additional inserts sold separately. 2 inserts fit into the main Aerojak adjustable head. The first insert, round gear insert, allows lifting the round tubular gear, both fixed and RG, non-shrouded. The second insert, nose wheel insert, lifts the nose wheel and comes with a torque lock chain. The third insert, shroud insert, is the shrouded round gear lifting device. It is used with the Aerojak base once the adjustable head is removed. To lift a Cessna tubular gear, use the round gear insert. Place the insert into the head, matching the green side of the insert to the green side of the head. It only fits one way into the jack. The insert fits into the 2 ears on the head. Tighten the knob to secure. To lift the opposite side, simply rotate the jack 180 degrees. The insert is tapered. The larger end of the insert must face the body of the airplane in order to match the taper of the landing gear tube. To lift the nose wheel, follow these procedures. Make sure the nose wheel scissor is not extended. Insert one end of the scissor lock chain into the top front strut forging by the tie-down ring. Insert the other end through the opening at the bottom of the scissor and secure it with the bolt and wing nut so that the scissor will move only until the chain tightens. Hold the nose wheel insert in place on the Aerojak, making sure the ears are properly placed in the slots cut into the nose wheel insert. Tighten the knob on the jack head. Push the safety rod through the ears and insert safety pin on the other side. Next, remove the T-handle bolt from the nose wheel insert. Align the slot with Cessna's tie-down ring. Start at the back of the front strut lower forging brace and push the insert with jack attached forward until it stops, making sure tie-down ring is completely inside the slot. The insert will be sitting at a slight forward angle. Replace the T-handle bolt, making certain the bolt goes through the center of the tie-down ring. Turn bolt several times to secure. Make sure the jack is properly aligned within 1 inch of the center line of the airplane. Turn the knob of the speed handle until scissor lock is tight and nose wheel is clear of the ground. The jack lifts the airplane by pushing upwards on the nose strut frame and should not touch the aluminum skin of the airplane. To lift the shrouded round gear, remove the existing adjustable head from the Aerojak and replace it with the shrouded insert. Place the Aerojak shroud insert under the spur on the bottom side of the footstep. Insert spur into the top tapered hole at the end of the insert. Use the standard procedure for lifting. To lift the nose wheel of a shrouded gear plane, insert the shroud insert into the bottom of the nose gear insert. Align the 1/4 inch hole and insert the safety pin through both pieces. Then follow the standard lifting procedure. Be prepared. You may need to use the supporting wood platform and screws included in the kit to increase the load-bearing capacity of the jack on soft turf. The Aerojak with all inserts still weighs less than 10 pounds, so it should always be part of your survival gear. Think of the Aerojak as one of the tools you should never leave home without. Lift quick, fly quick with Aerojak.